Steno Wale Babu welcomes you. Shorthand dictations in male and female voice from all sources like magazines, speeches, and editorials at various speeds up to 120 WPM for various departments like SSC, DSSB, CRPF, Delhi Police, etc. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.
Exercise number 20. The Rajasthan State Road Transport Corporation has filed the above appeal aggrieved by the judgment of the Rajasthan High Court of Judicature Jaipur bench, by which Regulation 4 Clause 3 of the Rajasthan State Road Transportation Corporation Compassionate Appointment Regulation 2010 has been declared as violative of Article 14 of the Constitution of India. The respondent's father, Mohammad Shahid, who was working as a helper in the appellant corporation, died in a motor accident. He was travelling in a bus of the appellant corporation which collided with another bus. A claim was made by the respondent before the Motor Accident Claim Tribunal Tunk under Section 166 and of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988. An amount of rupees 135 lakhs was claimed, but the tribunal awarded a compensation of rupees 22 lakhs. The respondent made a representation to the chief manager of the appellant corporation seeking compassionate appointment. The request for compassionate appointment was rejected on the ground that the respondent was not entitled in light of Regulation 4, Clause 3 of the regulations. Dissatisfied with the rejection of the request for compassionate appointment, the respondent filed a writ petition in the High Court challenging the constitutionality of Regulation 4 Clause 3. The High Court allowed the writ petition by a judgment on the ground that Regulation 4 Clause 3 of the regulations is discriminatory and violative of Article 14 of the Constitution. The High Court held that the object of compassionate appointment is to mitigate the hardship of the family members of the breadwinner, and for that reason compassionate appointment should be provided to the family in distress. According to Regulation 4, Clause 3 of the regulations, claim for both compassionate appointment and compensation under the Act cannot be made against the corporation in case of death of an employee while travelling in the vehicle of the appellant corporation. Regulation 4 Clause 3 was found to be discriminatory because compassionate appointment can be provided to an employee who dies in an accident while travelling in a vehicle not belonging to the corporation, though he had claimed compensation either from the owner of the vehicle or the insurance company under the Act. Before proceeding further, it is relevant to take note of Regulation 4 Clause 3 of the regulations, which allows computation on account of injury or death to the person while performing official duty. This is the case for that period. On the occasion of death of any employee of the corporation while performing his duty, or a vehicular death by the vehicle belonging to the corporation, if the legal representatives of the deceased employee seek compensation from the corporation by filing a claim petition before the accident tribunal and the same is awarded, or the matter remains pending before the tribunal. In such a case, the legal representatives of the deceased employee should have no right to seek appointment on compassionate ground. If compensation is awarded or the matter remains pending before the tribunal, if on the death of the time of the corporation his legal representative at time of compassionate appointment files an application for the same in the prescribed format, then the application for appointment on compassionate ground has to be supplemented with an affidavit on a non-judicial stamp paper of rupees 10 by the legal representative that no claim petition against the corporation has been filed before any competent court, and also that no such claims shall be filed in the future, and if in future, even if any of the legal representatives file a claim petition before MECT, then the employer shall have right to cancel my appointment without any notice, and that I won't file any case against such dismissal before any competent court. According to the said regulation, the death of an employee of the corporation while traveling in a vehicle belonging to the appellant corporation cannot give rise to compensation under the Act, as well as a claim for compassionate appointment in the appellant corporation. The question that arises for our consideration is whether the High Court was right in holding that Regulation 4, Clause 3 is discriminatory and violative of Article 14 of the Constitution. The reason given by the High Court to hold it unconstitutional is that whereas the dependents of the employee who died in an accident while on a vehicle owned by the appellant corporation are not entitled for compassionate appointment after claiming compensation under Act, the dependents of an employee who died in an accident while traveling in a vehicle not owned by the appellant corporation are entitled to get compensation under the Act against the owner of the vehicle or the insurance company, as the case may be, as well as a right to claim compassionate appointment. The High Court was the opinion that the dependents of employees of the corporation who died due to an accident while traveling in a vehicle of the corporation cannot be treated differently from dependents of employees who died in an accident while traveling in a corporation vehicle. Thank you.